Hello everyone, just want to quickly show you how to change the toggle switch. For this switch, actually there's a problem. I cannot move it all the way up, and sometimes it will have a on intermittent on and off problem. So I need to switch over this switch. This switch is working okay. So actually at this stage I already shut off the main circuit breaker. This is a must before you replacing the switch. So let me open up the cover. So take off the cover and you can see actually that there are two switches. Oh, there are two switches inside. So actually I have buy one new switch from Home Depot. It's actually very cheap. It costs less than $1. So I'm going to make sure all the cable is wired according to what I have right now. So when taking out this switch, we need to carefully identify which cable need to connect to which terminal. This can come out. Okay, this one is come out as well. So I want to put this out and try to have a look how's the cable are connected. So I'm going to disconnect this cable. Actually it stated that I need to push this to release the cable. Let me let me go to find a smaller screwdriver. Actually, I have this type of tweezer, so let me try with the tweezer. Wow. So this cable is actually go directly inside. This cable is actually go directly inside or all the way to this switch. And this ground cable is actually only screw it on the screw, so it will be more easy for this. Okay, so it's actually hold on the screw. So let me change a new one in. I'm going to use the same method by putting this cable back into the hole all the way in, and then screw this cable at this screw connector. Okay, try to check whether the cable is loose or not. I think it's all the way in and it's very tight unless you press the last switch behind. So for the ground cable, I will it in. Okay, then need to make sure it is all the way in. Okay, all set. Then just for you to know, actually this wire gauge is very thick, so you need to have some force to bend it. Screw. So you can see you will have some play over here, so that later when you put your cover on, you can make some minor adjustment if needed. I need to make sure it's all the way in so that I can back the cover. Okay, looks good for me. Looks good for me. The cover, yeah, the cover can go in all the way. Yeah, like this should be okay. Okay, then finally, let's put back the 4 screw. And that is all set, and it's easy fix with less than $1. Yeah, and now it's working okay. Yeah, do like my video if you think it is helpful. Thank you.